In the ever-expanding universe of project management software, new tools emerge regularly, each promising to simplify workflows, enhance collaboration, and boost productivity. Among these, Nifty has carved out a niche for itself as an all-in-one platform aiming to replace a multitude of disparate tools. For anyone considering Nifty, or simply interested in the origins of successful software, a common question arises. Who created Nifty software? Understanding the people behind a product can offer valuable insights into its philosophy, evolution, and future direction. In the case of Nifty, its creation is attributed to a team of co-founders who launched the platform with a clear vision for streamlined project management. The visionaries behind Nifty, Shiv Kapoor and co-founders. Nifty was founded in 2017 by a team of co-founders, Shiv Kapoor, Ilya Stricker, and Sky Kalibay. While it's a collaborative effort, Shiv Kapoor is recognized as the co-founder and CEO of Nifty. His leadership has been instrumental in shaping Nifty's product development and strategic direction. The company is based in New York City, United States. Their goal was to address a common pain point in project management: the fragmentation of tools. Teams often find themselves juggling multiple applications, one for tasks, another for communication, a third for document sharing, and perhaps a fourth for road mapping. This tool fatigue can lead to inefficiencies, lost information, and a disjointed workflow. Nifty was conceived as a solution to this problem, aiming to consolidate these essential functions into a single, cohesive platform. The philosophy behind Nifty's design. From a project management expert's perspective, Nifty's origin story and its co-founder's vision are reflected in the software's core design principles. All-in-one approach. The fundamental idea behind Nifty is to provide a centralized hub for all project-related activities. This is a direct response to the frustration of context switching between different applications. By integrating discussions, tasks, goals, documents, and files in one place, Nifty aims to create a single source of truth for projects. This aligns perfectly with project management best practices that advocate for unified information management to reduce risks and improve transparency. Focus on collaboration. The co-founders recognize that successful projects hinge on seamless team collaboration. Nifty's features are designed to foster this. The integrated chat, discussion forums, and comment sections on tasks and documents encourage real-time and asynchronous communication, allowing team members to stay connected and informed, regardless of their location. This is particularly crucial in today's increasingly remote and hybrid work environments. Visual project planning. Nifty offers various views for project planning, including Kanban boards, Gantt charts, roadmaps, and list views. This caters to different project management methodologies, agile, waterfall, and individual preferences. The ability to visualize project progress and dependencies clearly is a cornerstone of effective project planning, and Nifty's founders prioritize this flexibility. Goal-oriented progress. A key feature in Nifty is its milestones and goals. This reflects a philosophy that tasks should always contribute to larger objectives. By linking individual tasks to overarching project goals and milestones, Nifty helps teams stay focused on what truly matters and track progress towards strategic outcomes. This top-down approach to project execution is a hallmark of well-managed projects. User experience and simplicity. While ambitious in its scope, Nifty strives for an intuitive and user-friendly interface. The goal is to make a powerful tool accessible to teams of all sizes and technical proficiencies. This emphasis on usability is critical for adoption, as even the most feature-rich software will fail if users find it too complex to navigate. Nifty's evolution since 2017. Since its founding in 2017, Nifty has continuously evolved, adding features and refining its capabilities based on user feedback and market trends. The journey from initial concept to a robust all-in-one platform has involved iterative development. Like any software company, Nifty has likely gone through numerous iterations, releasing updates and new features regularly. This agile approach to development is crucial for staying competitive in the fast-paced software industry. Responding to user needs. A significant part of a software's growth comes from listening to its user base. Nifty's co-founders and team would have prioritized feedback to guide their development roadmap, addressing pain points and building features that truly solve their customers' challenges. Market positioning. In a crowded market of project management tools, Nifty has positioned itself as the ultimate all-in-one hub. This differentiation strategy is a direct outcome of the founders' original vision to reduce tool fragmentation. The impact of founders on product and culture. The direct involvement of co-founders like Shiv Kapoor in the day-to-day operations and product vision can significantly impact a company's culture and its product. When founders are deeply passionate about solving a specific problem, like tool fragmentation in project management, that passion often translates into a product that genuinely addresses those issues. For a project manager evaluating Nifty, knowing its origins means understanding that it was built by individuals who sought to create a more integrated and less chaotic project environment. This foundational philosophy permeates the software's features and overall user experience. It's not just a collection of features. It's a carefully designed workspace intended to bring clarity and efficiency to complex projects.